Hey everybody, and welcome into the quick video. I wanted to throw up a quick post and say thank you to everybody out there in the community that has helped us reach, we just passed the 25,000 subscriber mark. So we're a quarter of the way there to the big 100K, 100,000 mark, but 25,000 is still, I was debating whether to put up a video, but it's still a milestone that I wanted to just come out here and say thank you to each and every one of you. And I actually looked at the channel views. We just passed over 1.5 million views on the channel, so just a crazy amount of reach there. And it's just so awesome to see so many people across the globe, especially here in Canada. We got a lot of Canadians that I'm seeing on the channel. Everybody is welcome here, but especially the Canadians. It's good to see so many people interested in investing and just making a change and a positive change in their financial futures. So I'll keep making the videos. I'm thoroughly enjoying this. I mean, I really do enjoy making the videos, and I appreciate all the support we've been getting on the channel. The likes, the comments, it's just awesome. And I've just met so many of you guys, especially, I forgot to say, like, man, some of you have been supporting since the beginning, since day one. And I've met so many of you along the way. It's just been so awesome. And even if you did just stumble across the channel, thank you for the support. And I really hope you are enjoying the videos. I do got a good announcement, a cool update. Actually, one of the upcoming series that I'm personally really excited for coming to the channel soon. We are going to be featuring my dad, my father, who's somebody that I do get a lot of questions on. He's been my mentor in where I learned to invest, and people say, oh, where do you learn to invest? Where do you learn to invest? Well, the man, the big man, he's going to be coming onto the channel soon. We're just kind of working out the kinks in terms of how we're going to do these videos. Maybe like a Q&A, maybe like an interview style. I don't know. Maybe we'll just talk. But if you have any suggestions, leave it down below. But I know for a fact I'm crazy excited for that, and I'm sure it'll be something that you guys enjoy. But anyways, I just wanted to say again, thank you all for all the ongoing support. As always, keep the likes coming, keep the comments coming, and any questions. You know, I've been getting a little bit slower on replying to the comments because, you know, there's a decent amount of them, and I got actually a lot of stuff on the go now, but I do read all of them, and I'm doing my best, and I do go back sometimes even like a few days later or a week later to reply. So I'll keep it up, and like I said, keep telling me what you guys want to see. Keep showing the support, and the videos will keep coming. So that's it for this quick video. Thank you all. Have a great week.